Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Andrea. I am a part-time reseller. I resell on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, Kitizen, and Tradesy. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. It is free. It takes you 2 seconds to click that subscribe button. And if you're not new here, thank you so much for coming back. It means so much to me that you come back to support me and watch my videos. Today I have a very quick video. I'm going to show you what sold for me December 5th, 6th, and 7th. First, I'm going to show you some Poshmark sales. I sold 3 pairs of shoes on Poshmark and 1 dress. The first pair is this Totes winter boots. They used to belong to my stepdaughters. They are barely worn. Maybe they wore them once. Yes, they wore them maybe once or twice. They're in excellent condition, but it's just not a very good sought after brand. I had them listed at 18 and I offered 14 with discounted shipping and the buyer accepted. Second pair are these Corky's clogs. They're platform clogs. I like picking up Corky's, but I feel like their boots do better. I had them listed at $50 and I have been sending $35 offers, and somebody offered me $23. I tried commenting in the bundle feature if they would go up to $29 and I would drop the price on closet clear outs. They didn't respond, so I was afraid to lose the sale, so I accepted $23 for them. I feel like she wanted to pay $30 for them, and I'm okay with that. I'm tripling my money after Poshmark fees. Then I saw these, you can see this pair in one of my hauls. If you like haul videos, you can go look for my haul videos. I have a playlist with all of the haul videos. I believe the average cost of goods of this trip was about $3, and I sent a message to the buyer saying that I would be able to drop the price to $29 if they wanted to, and they would get discounted shipping. That was Sunday when we had closet clear out day, and then she replied to me yesterday saying that she would be okay, but it wasn't closet clear out day anymore. So I sent her an offer anyway for $29 and discounted shipping. And this dress here is like a vintage prom dress. It's very nice, and I had sold this before on eBay and the buyer returned it to me. I've had it for a long time now. I feel like nobody's buying these dresses because nobody's going anywhere. So when I got a $25 offer, even though it was listed I think for $95, I didn't even counter. I accepted it just because sales have been very slow for me on all 3 platforms. So I accepted the $25 offer on this dress. I paid $1 for it. So I still have another beautiful prom dress. I'm gonna put a picture here in case you're interested in prom dresses. So I'm gonna show you now my eBay sales. I picked this up at the bins, very lightweight. It's just J. Jill linen, size large. I had a watcher. I had it listed low for maybe $14.99, and then I sent a $9.99 offer to a watcher, just because I like to keep things moving. If I have a chance to make a deal with a buyer, I will try my best to do it. So it's winter time. That's a linen top, sleeveless. I know that some parts of the country are still warm, but I feel like I would have to wait a lot longer to sell this top. And I picked it up at the bins, so I sent a $9.99 offer and the buyer accepted it. This was also a bins find. This brand is very expensive. I have no idea how to say this, but you can read it here. Vilbriquin. It's just a down puffer vest, and it's very expensive, but this had a few condition issues. It has some marks. I don't know if you can see it. Like it's like somebody had a sticker on it and the sticker came off, but the residue is still there. It's not sticky or anything, but you can see that there is a stain, and there were some stains here on the back as well. I tried to clean it. I washed it. It's nice and clean. I had it listed at $49.99. Some of these jackets can go for like $60, $80. And because of the condition issues, I listed it at $49.99. I had a watcher and I sent a nice offer of $29.99 because it had these condition issues. Maybe I paid $1 for it at the bins. So I'm very happy with a $30 sale. This is my next sale. I love this cardigan very much. I paid about $2.50 for this sweater, and it's 100% wool. It has buttons, wooden buttons, and I don't think they're wood. They're like coconut shell buttons, and it was handmade, made in Ecuador, and I listed it on eBay for $50, and I had a $38 offer, and I accepted it just because eBay's fees are also less than Poshmark fees. So this is going to a new home. Then I have 2 Mercari sales, and I'm missing one of them, but it's okay because you cannot see, it's already pre-packed. So I'm gonna show you. The first one is this LL Bean kind of faux suede lined jacket. I find a lot of LL Bean. I live in Massachusetts. I usually pick up LL Bean's jackets and shoes and more substantial pieces, and they usually do well. So I sold it for $28 on Mercari. And then the last sale were these Spanx, size large, black. I'm gonna post a picture here. And I had it listed, I think, at $50 on Mercari, and I dropped the price. It was about $45, and somebody asked me if I would do 35, and I said my lowest was 39 plus shipping, and she said okay. So I dropped the price and she purchased it, and I picked up this pair of Spanx for about $2.50. And those are my sales for last weekend. Not a very great weekend for sales, but I'm hoping that I can continue to sell because I think December people are very busy with preparing for the holidays and buying gifts for others. They're not shopping secondhand very much. So I'm glad for any sales that I make, and I hope to see you on the next video. Bye-bye.